gems, how are you doing? Another winter day in Florida, December in Florida. I thought I'd go for a drive. I have some errands to run, some shopping to do, so I thought I'd take you along. So enjoy the ride along and whatever I do. And if you're new to Life with Marlene, become a fellow gem and hit that subscribe button. Share this out. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. It's free. So enjoy today's vlog. So here is the Starlight where you can get a breakfast or a dinner cruise. So I'm going to show you around this area right here. So I'm going to show you this view right here with the sailboats. That's really beautiful. Let's see, guys. And then down there is where they have, where you can get a lunch cruise and a dinner cruise. So I'm just going to show you that. So here it is. On another vlog, I'll take you guys on that cruise. So this is the Starlight, where you could get a breakfast and a dinner cruise. guys. But I found it. Hopefully, affirmations planner. Good day. Start with gratitude. Get all of the different colors. I'm definitely buying this. What I want. I'm gonna do it over here. I think this one looks good. This one is $3.99. It's blueberry wine. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. Let me know. So we got some yellow onions, some mandarin oranges, strawberries, raspberries, white mushrooms. Oh, my favorite candy, those Coquer salted caramel, some Aldi fresh sliced turkey breast, some soft taco shells, sharp cheddar cheese, some avocados, black beans, 2 containers there of salmon, a big container of the spring mix, a slab of ribs. We got that cookie dough. I did choose the salted caramel one. Some Bob Evans mashed potatoes, and I did buy that planner, a gallon of white vinegar, 4 cases of water, some orange juice, apple juice, and I believe that is it. Yeah, I'm showing the planner that I got. So that's the end of the haul, everybody. Then I went to Sunshine thrift store to see what I could find. So we're going to do a quick walk-in so you can see what the store looks like, and then I'll do a haul after I am done.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
First thing that I got was this INC, International Concepts, hooded jacket with the color blocking. It has the black with the creme and the gray. If I can find a price, I'm going to put it in the tag it and let you see what it costs normally, but this was for $5.99, and of course it has been double washed, and yeah, and I can't wait to wear it. It's going to be nice and warm for this season. And next I have a Notations blouse in a cobalt blue color with some ruffling and some gold button detailing. This was really nice, and this was $4.99. I just love the color, and I think it looks so good on me. So that was my second item. Third up, I got some acid washed jeans that are distressed. So distressed acid washed jeans. I thought this was really cute. I love the distressing on this one. Yep. And I can't wait to wear it, probably with a crop top. Really cute. That's my third item. Okay, and this is the last item. The reason really why I went thrifting was to find a cute outfit for an occasion I'm going to. So it's this beautiful, I love bright colors, and I was told that red looks nice on me, so that's what I was going for, to find something red. So this is like one of those see-through tops, and it is one of those cold shoulder blouses where you can see the top of your shoulders. Of course, it's going to be a camisole underneath, and I found a cranberry colored skirt that has the ridges, the lines, whatever you want to call it, and it is a full-length skirt. So I will be wearing this outfit, and this blouse was $3.99, and it was half price. I couldn't believe it that this was only $2 for the blouse, and the skirt was $3.99. Yeah, and this blouse was from Spence, which I don't know what company that is, but just sharing. So yeah, so those are all the items that I got. The next day I went to Dollar Tree. I didn't shoot any footage inside, but this is the things that I got. I got a deodorant, some Laffy Taffy, some butter cookies, some nice warm socks, and I love this cute little heart jewelry box that I'm going to keep my earrings in. So I wanted to open it up. I thought that heart was so cute. Have you guys seen that in your local Dollar Tree? And this bookend, and my sister was so kind to give me some strawberries, some blueberries, and some mangoes. Thank you so much, Sissy. I really appreciate you. And yeah, so I'm just sharing that. I love the mangoes. I could eat mangoes, strawberries, and blueberries every single day. Then later on, I cook dinner. So for dinner, decided to do a jerk turkey because the turkeys were on sale. So, we did it like a traditional dinner with all the sides and everything, the green bean casserole, the cornbread stuffing, the sweet potato casserole, the turkey and gravy, cranberry sauce, all of that. It was delicious. Decided to do Disney Plus, and yes, I am Daisy Duck. So let's choose something to watch. Okay, what am I going to choose to watch, guys? What do you guys watch on Disney Plus? I was thinking about watching Miss Doubtfire. I don't know why I like watching that ever, you know. And I was thinking about Home Alone 2. I don't know. I may watch Boba Fett or I don't really see anything. I don't know. Am I the only one that I absolutely love watching cartoons? I love it. I love it. I don't know what I'm gonna watch, but I'm gonna find something here. Come to the bottom of the list. So I think I'm gonna stick with Home Alone. So thank you guys so much for watching.